Welcome to Research Rock. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Immurok fingerprint authentication device. If you have MacBook, Windows, Linux, laptop, so this device is very important for you. If you are a developer, as my personal experience, I need to provide several times my username and password different location. But if I authenticate this tiny device, so I need to require just only one finger and I am automatically enter the specific platform programming or the software authentication. So in this video we will do unboxing, and afterwards how we can install the application and how we can authorize this device to use as a day-to-day activities. Let's start unboxing. Here the box is quite premium. Here the brand name Immurok wireless fingerprint authorized, compatible for Mac and Linux. Just simply open here. Inside the box, this is our tiny device. Apart from the device, nothing inside. That's it for this unboxing. Here the one switch is also showing. If you toggle on this one, is the light is showing. Look at this here. And here the C type charging port. First of all, I just simply show it to you the website of this tiny device. I just simply open Google, type here Immurok, enter. So first link is display here, Immurok wireless fingerprint key for Mac, Windows and Linux. One touch unlock the premium wireless fingerprint key for all. Download are available Mac, Windows and Linux. Install the application. Click twice, continue. Then install. Yes, allow. Then close. Move to Thrash. Now I just simply open here app section. The Immurok software is showing here. So here Immurok uses Bluetooth to connect your finger authorized device. Allow. Welcome to, say next. Open Bluetooth. Just simply search here device of this tiny one. Here is showing. I just simply say connect. Here light is showing and you always turn it on this one. So look at this here software. First of all, you need to update now the specific software or firmware supportable for this tiny device. So you need to wait here to complete this entire process. Device is connected here, 98% battery is here. From now here start pairing. How you can pair this device? It's easy. Simply pairing. Press bottom of the button. Here is the black button. I just simply press here. Pairing point of view, you just simply press here once and white light is showing, and that's it. Release this one within a second, and here the pairing successfully. Afterwards here configuration, unlock, enter your Mac password or screen password. So I just simply say here Mac password and start enrollment. So just touch start enrollment here. Now here part finger enrollment. So I just simply start enrollment. My button straightly here on the right hand side. Fingerprint is successfully enrolled here, and just say okay. So then accessibility here, authentication, click authorize, open system setting, Immurok left list enable, authorize here. So here device and authorize the app access. Okay, if I lock here my Mac simply, so screen is locked. If I use this one, so unlock, it's easy. Notify, alert sound. I just simply lock once again, and using this one, this unlock is open or not. Let's see. Using this device, I can unlock my Mac and different software authentication as well. So this is the simple unboxing, installation and proper setup of Immurok fingerprint authorized device. If you have any question related on this tiny device, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.